This product can be exported as finished and loose parts as stated. Product is full for assembly. Convenient and fast in installation. No difficulty, easy and simple. Upgraded on the traditional bottom lighting meeting software. The possibility of the diffuser plate never falling.
1. Put the face cover first. 2. Put the diffuser plate into the face cover. 3. Install the bottom cover and light source board. 4. Put the back cover on. 5. Insert the spring clip. This product does not require tools to install. Simple and convenient operation. Lamp power 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36.